Good morning. Today is the fourth day of my sketching and painting demonstrations. And today I am going to show you a sketch I'm doing from memory. So first I took a walk in my neighborhood. I also walked by Lake Chapala, which is one of the biggest lakes in Mexico, and I am so fortunate to live in a walking distance from. And as I walk, I look for topics of inspiration. I capture images with my camera. I take short videos, and I observe the things around me. So today the sketch is gonna be out of my memory. Um, if you like my videos and you feel that you are learning something, please subscribe and like them. So here I am back in the studio where I'm gonna use the flowers just to get me started. What I want to represent is my experience out on the Malecon walking by the lake, where I could see the mountains in the background and the little pier and the lighthouse and flowers, lots of color everywhere. So I am doing a sketch that is vertical, and I am incorporating the main elements that got my attention. So the pier, the lighthouse, the mountains, of course the lake, and this might actually turn into a painting, hopefully sometime in the future. Now I'm going to do a version of horizontal of using the same elements. Here I'm representing the orange flowers that I have demonstrated in a previous video, and I will include pretty much the same elements. If you would like to learn to sketch or to paint in watercolor or acrylics, please contact me. I like to work with individuals one-on-one, and I teach on Zoom. You can contact me here below this video, or you can send me an email. Again, please, it would be awesome to like and subscribe to my videos.